This is Lane's 4th session. She's been good to work with. Got a nice feel on her stock and also pretty free-footed. Sort of pulls up and thinks good for herself, and then is happy to move off freely. All of these pups have probably been a little sheltered, like they've been obviously, wormed and well fed and looked after in those respects and had their vaccinations. But, because I've got few of them around me, they probably haven't been hauled around as much as I would have liked if, the people need to take them and haul them around a bit and let them see the world. This is a pretty nice little bitch. At this stage, she's crossing the bridges you want her to cross.